Let me show you how to fix the Instagram algorithm if it's not resetting. There are multiple different options you have, including if Instagram has a bug or a glitch in it. I'll show you how to fix it. Now, first you want to head into the App Store or Google Play Store. And from here, we're going to just search for Instagram because this is a fairly new feature. All you need to do is tap on Instagram. If it does say that there's an update available, just update to the latest version. Now let's head back into the Instagram app and let's reset that algorithm in the search or explore page by tapping on your profile, and then we'll get to your settings here. And after we are in your settings, all you're going to do is scroll down until you get to the X section that says what you see, and it says content preferences right there. So that will allow you to reset everything. After you've done that, you'll be able to see a bunch of different information, but the key here is to reset that algorithm. We need to get to the bottom option here, and it says want a fresh start. All you need to do is hit next and reset suggested content. This is the explore page or the search page or the algorithm, however you want to say it. Essentially, you just tap on that little magnifying glass here at the bottom right, and then swipe down, and this will all be reset.